Hey, if you want to learn how to build passive income using the internet, then head over to our main website. I'm going to put the link below. We have training on how to get started today using a simple formula that I have been using for the past decades, and thousands of other people and hundreds of thousands of people are using them around the world. Okay, so you're basically going to learn some marketing, you're going to learn some business principles that work in all economies. You're also going to learn about systems that do the selling and telling for you, and how to collect emails of potential clients that will turn into paying clients for a lifetime. You're going to retain those customers as your customers that will give you money over time because you are an authority and you're offering services and products that they actually want and need. Okay, so we're going to be finding people that want the solution that you're offering. And one of the questions that I want to ask for you to answer right now so that you focus on which products you want to go into. This is the question: what are your passions? Write them down. Okay, and we're going to find niches that are around your passions so that you find products and services that can serve that marketplace. Okay, and so you are more likely to succeed in doing so because you know about that specific market. Okay, it's all about targeted traffic, sending them to a sales page and collecting the email and name and providing value over time through an email campaign, and also through broadcast emailing, and therefore they will eventually buy from your link. Okay, you're gonna start building passive income, which is the best type of income that you can ever build because you pay zero in taxes legally. If you do it right, you can actually become wealthy very quickly. It takes consistency, it takes effort. We're not showing you how to invest in stocks. That's not what we do here at Master Investors Community. We show you how to build your passive income with real assets that you control in your asset column that produce cash flow, aka passive income. Okay, so make sure you check out the link down below. Read one of our ebooks, enroll in one of our wealth courses, and start today because the trend is e-commerce. There are about 19% in the world that are doing e-commerce. So there's still a big opportunity if you're new to start today. It's not too late. And once it gets to 50%, it might be too late because all the big companies will come in and will bring their capital, their bankroll, and you will not be able to catch up, okay? Because they're gonna, acquire e-commerce, and it's going to get rid of all the competition. So if you want to start an e-commerce site, if you want to start selling online, then this is the best time to start because we still have a lot of opportunity to do so and be able to win as an individual, as a new entrepreneur, or an existing small business owner. You can start building passive income from anywhere around the world. All right, so I'll see you on the next video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment if you like this type of videos that will help you build true wealth and, of course, teach you the business principles that work in all economies. Okay, and that's the key of riches, is to learn how the rich get rich so that you duplicate what they do and how they think and how they act so that it results in passive income for your life. Okay, because the rich, rule number one of our community here, Master Investor, is that we do not work for earn income, we work for passive income. We work to build passive income, and we make money work hard for us. A lot of people chase money. We are in the process, and we devote ourselves to make that back chase us. Okay, so that's what we do here at Master Investor. We show you how the rich invest. We're not telling you to invest in any stocks because you can't really get your money back. We want you to get cash flow. We want you to print money. We want you to have cow uh, cash cows printing you money on a daily basis. Okay, that you can actually touch that money. Imagine going to sleep and you have 10 cells, and you can actually access that money into your bank account because it's 100% commission into your own bank account. Okay, so Learn more about us, go to our main website, don't waste any time, and start building true wealth here at Master Investor. I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong and take care.